I'm overwhelmed that all of you all are here. Really, I really am. I'm really overwhelmed, and I just hope that you realize now that you can have angels in your life too, and that you don't have to wait until they're gone to thank them. You can thank them now, and you can thank them every day, and you can be the angel for somebody, and you can continue to pay it forward. I think that that's really what it's about. So I hope that the trust fund is the Fielding Scholarship Fund, and it is an extension of the fund that was created for me by you, and it's an extension of it so that other children who lose a parent to violence can also have what I had, which was, the attempt at a normal life. And the CC Foundation is the way to honor my mom's name, because from what I remember, she was fun, right? Yeah. They created the fund to allow thousands of people to pour into the fund. But they not only did that, they managed the fund for 20 years. They took a burden off of our family and they put it onto their family, because they're a family business. And I just can't imagine that. I just can't imagine the burden that could have been sometimes, to think of the financial decisions that needed to go into doing that, where to put the money, how to invest it, filing the taxes for it, and never ever taking the percentage that was due to them to manage it. And so I hope, I don't know how to thank someone who's giving you your life back, but I want you to know that you gave me my life back. And I hope that me putting the trust fund in your name creates a legacy, so that people will always remember the human spirit, and when they think of angels, they think of your name. So I just wanted to present you with this plaque that will kind of commemorate this evening, and the scholarship fund going forward that will launch in February on my mom's birthday. Sure. It reads, CC Foundation, Creating Life After Loss, and founded in 2010. The Fielding Scholarship Fund was established from the sentiment of gratitude to the love, kindness, and selfless human spirit of the Fielding family. The Fielding Scholarship